Ignorant people are fumbling their bags, while insiders are stocking up massively on Casper. In the upcoming weeks, Casper could literally go to the moon. But what could be so bullish? I will tell you everything about it in today's video, so please smash the follow button so that you don't miss any updates on the most important projects. Casper, one of the most discussed projects in crypto at the moment, says it has already solved the trilemma of crypto, because Casper says it is one of the fastest blockchains, one of the most scalable blockchains, and one of the most secure blockchains overall, and all at once it has already managed to achieve. So it says it has solved the holy trilemma of blockchains. But when we have a look at the 1 year chart, we can see that Casper, has already declined more than 15% over the last year. So what is happening now at Casper? Because when we look at the last month, we can see a clear shift in trends. Casper is coming back. Why is it coming back, and what could teleport Casper to $1? In today's video, I will tell you everything about it, what you have to know, because now could be a really nice entry point after the change of trends. We can maybe see a very bullish comeback for Casper, because Casper is showing a very good new momentum. The open interest is increasing by 19%. The trading volume surged over 40%, and also the spot trading volume also rose about 22%. So overall, Casper is making a very strong comeback. Also, the long-term Casper holders continue to show very strong conviction with the project. No signs of selling. The long-term holders hold nearly for 2 years and none of them is selling. This is a very good sign for a strong community, very strong conviction. And this is very positive. Also, when we have a look at the active addresses, you can see at the first moment nothing very special in particular. But when we go into the 30 days trend, we can see a clearly change of trends. Especially at the end of April, we can see a very big increase in active addresses. But why is this happening, you might ask? I will show you. And also when we have a look at the 7 days trend, we can see a big increase in the active addresses. And this all might lead us back to one big thing: the big Casper Crescendo upgrade. The Crescendo upgrade might be a big game changer for Casper, because Casper announced its hard fork. It will launch at the 5th of May, and it will transition the Casper network from 1 block per second to 10 blocks per second. So this means Casper is becoming 10 times as fast as it is today, and Casper is already one of the fastest blockchains overall. So with this upgrade, Casper says it is becoming the best and fastest blockchains overall. But this is not all. Many people believe that it is not also becoming 10 times as fast. They think also it become 10 times as expensive in price to buy the token. As we can see in this article by TradingView, this could lead to a major price impact, increased investor interest, higher trading volumes. So the Crescendo upgrade means not only increased throughput, it also means that the Casper blockchain will become also interesting for DeFi. They are launching their own layer 2 blockchain. They are enabling smart contracts, DApps, NFTs, and everything that comes with it. So it could become really interesting for developers and for classic DeFi adoption. So Casper is going after blockchains like Solana or Ethereum. They want to become the new Ethereum killer. This is what they're mentioning on their blog as well. When we have a look how Casper can capitalize on Ethereum current challenges. Yeah, Ethereum has some challenges, no lie, but Ethereum is the leading DeFi blockchain with 1,331 active protocols. Ethereum is the clear number one DeFi blockchain. And when you look at Ethereum layer 2s like Base, Arbitrum, there is no blockchain near Ethereum, no Solana, and no blockchain else. So let's see what they are telling us why they could become the big Ethereum slayer. They first have their simple architecture, they have a very high throughput, they have very low fees. It is very easy to deploy smart contracts on Casper. They can very easily attract new developers, and this is how they want to gain new users, because it could become one of the blockchains that's the most easy to build on. So I'm very looking forward to this. I'm really excited what will happen after the big upgrade. All of this could become reality. They will launch nice things, I'm sure, but it needs time. So tomorrow they won't be the new DeFi chain number one. It needs time. It needs time to grow and develop. But it could become a really nice alternative. But there is big competitors, as we've seen in this year with new blockchains like the Bera chain, like Sonic. These chains are building really nice products. These chains are really developing good things. There is room for a new blockchain. There is billions that needs to be spent in this new ecosystem, and I'm really looking forward what we will see. Yes, the upgrade is definitely bullish, but that's not the only thing that's bullish at Casper at the very moment. When we have a look at the top addresses at Casper, we can see one thing very clearly. There is big addresses accumulating Casper coins. When we have a look, here we can see Maxi, Uphold, Gate.io, Bybit, BitGet. This is the exchanges where Casper is already listed. But when we have a look at these exchanges, there is one exchange missing, and this could be the most important exchange. It is for sure the biggest exchange, Binance. And what we have noticed is that the second address is already accumulating nearly daily Casper tokens, like here 200k, 150k, 200k, 150k, 150k. And this address could be Binance, because we've seen it with other coins like Ondo. When Binance is before a big coin listing, they accumulate the coin so people can buy it later at their exchange, and this could be a big catalyst for the price of Casper. For sure, this could become big. So will Casper be the new Ethereum or the new Solana? It is for sure a big way to go, but I still think they could get into the top 10 blockchains, because Casper at the moment, when we have a look, has a market cap of 2.6 billion. So it would need just a 10x to get into the top 10 at the very moment. And this is a price target I definitely see for Casper. So 10x, I think, is very realistic. When we have a look at the tokenomics, nearly all of the coins are at the market. There is no big unlocks happening that could decrease the price. And also the ratio from market cap to volume traded is very good. When we compare it, for example, to other blockchains, like here Cardano. Cardano is less traded than Casper or Avalanche. Avalanche also less traded than Casper. For sure, you have to look at this statistic over many days, but it is a good indicator. So overall, I'm very optimistic for the development of Casper. And I already told you, I am very certain that Casper is going to the moon. But now you might ask, why? Because they are launching their satellite. Casper already is very decentralized, as they state, but they want to become even more decentralized. They don't want to be dependent on any countries or global borders, so they are launching their very first satellite into the space, so they become the very first block deck node in space. So with the launch of the satellite, they signal a very strong role in the future of global infrastructure. It is a very good visibility for global marketing, but we have to gain tractions. We have to gain new buyers. We have to gain new people who are interested in the project. At the moment, the normal crypto user is interested in dog coins or let's say it as it is, they are interested in gains. They don't care about technical details. So Casper might be one of the technically best built blockchains, but the end user doesn't really care. So I on my end think if we're going to an altcoin season, Casper could easily go to $1. I hope I was able to give you some new insights into Casper. So make sure to save the date, the 5th of May, into your calendars, because this could change everything for the future of Casper. Thank you for watching. Please smash the like and follow button. See you in the next video.